It's a pretty sharp dent. Actually, it's not really that sharp. I would say kind of medium depth. Just above the body line, the damage does go below the body line. It's an aluminum door, very hour, about 40 minutes repair time at the customer's location. This damage here was $360. Yes, I said it, $360 on this dent. It was a 3.5-inch dent on a body line aluminum panel with about a medium depth. You can see it's kind of deep. It's not that deep, but it's deep. And it actually has a little horizontal crease about 1 inch. You can kind of see that horizontal crease after I pushed the majority of it out with the cherry tip R4 Dent Craft cherry tip. My favorite. I use a lot of heat as always. And to help me with my repairs, I put the B&D door locking tool on there to keep the door from moving in and out, and I can get better leverage with my tool. I use the double bend 18-inch Dent Craft. And look at that repair. Super clean repair. Beautiful. Easy, guys. Don't be afraid of aluminum doors. Don't be afraid of BMWs, and do not be afraid of body lines. Take your time, heat the panel up, use that tip. That's a sharp tip I put on there. And here's the after. No light. It's a great repair. Less than 1 hour, and you can make great money on these repairs. But you gotta make sure you let the customer know, hey, what are their goals? What are their expectations? I want a perfect repair, Dennis. I want you to come to my home. Okay, well, this is what it's gonna cost. And this is what I'm gonna deliver you. Sign that work order. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, have a great day.